Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my Outdoors channel. On this channel, we'll post videos of tips and tricks of our outdoor interests, which include kayak fishing, firearms, primarily target shooting and accessories, RC hobbies, including airplanes, helicopters, drones, and ground vehicles, and car and truck racing and rock crawling. Now, we cover a wide range of topics, so we don't proclaim to be an expert in any. It's kind of like being a jack of all trades and expert at none, but we'll have a few tricks to share. And we'll publish videos periodically, but not on a real set schedule yet. Right now we're just having fun and want to share some adventures, tips, and tricks with you. And we will likely have some videos produced in collaboration with others, such as my two sons and some other friends. If you see a product that you want to get in any of our videos, we'll often have links to them in the video description. And we love getting tips, tricks, and information from our viewers and the comments that they leave. We appreciate the feedback from everyone, and we learn a lot from our viewers, and we get a lot of great ideas from you, and we are interested in what you want to see. Some of our videos may seem a bit jerky, especially in some of my older ones, as I sometimes edited out some audio things, but the video is not fluid with it. Those are quite choppy, and I'm trying to be better. We don't have a production crew, editing staff, or a studio. We're just a couple of novices trying to be a little better. So please take a look through our playlists and enjoy. And please subscribe and be sure to hit that bell icon so you won't miss anything. And we now have a website set up at Gary'sOutdoors.com. Please check it out. It's in the very beginning stages at this time, and we'll be adding content and resources to support our videos on YouTube. So enjoy the outdoors and have fun. Thank you.